Hey, it's Tom from Take Time to Travel. Today we're in the Bonifacio Global City area of Manila, and we're going to take you on a tour of our apartment. We're staying in this building right here with this beautiful facade. It's called the Uptown Parksuites Tower 2, and also there's a name up above, Uptown Palazzo, up above all these beautiful columns and carvings and a clock. And it's quite an impressive building. It's about 45 stories high. Now, before we head inside the building, we're going to show you a little bit around the area that we're staying in. It's quite beautiful here, very new area, it's very upscale. There's lots of tree-lined streets and shops all the way along. There's restaurants and patios, and then we're just about a 1 or 2 minute walk from the Uptown Mall, and inside that mall there's about 3 or 4 floors, and it's full of restaurants and shops. You can buy some clothes there, and there's also a grocery store down in the basement and a McDonald's too. So we'll just have a little walk around here. And just before we head inside, I want to show you how beautiful this building looks at night with all the uplighting. It's quite lovely. Okay, now it's time to head inside this beautiful building and show you the lobby and some of the amenities. We'll take the elevator up to the pool area now. Now, this building does have quite a few amenities. There are a couple of swimming pools. This is one of them, and these are shared between the 2 towers that make up this building. And now we'll head around to the other swimming pool, which is just up and around this corner, past all this beautiful garden area, and there's some seating along the way here. And there's a little playhouse outside here for the kids. And this is the other bigger pool, and it's got some built-in loungers in the water there, and a whirlpool or hot tub area. And then further around this way, we have a little kiddies pool, something for everyone. And the pool area also has a nice city view. You can see some of the big buildings around it. There are a couple of function halls and clubhouse areas. There is a kids' daycare area here. And there's also a gym in the building. Now, since we're only a temporary resident, we don't get to use those amenities, but we've certainly been able to use the pool. And we've just discovered, even though this is our last day here, that there's a walkway that kind of extends all the way around the building. So we've been exploring that, and you get some views of the city. And now we're going to head up to the apartment. I'm going to show you around our apartment now. So this is the door where you come in from the hallway. There's a small shoe rack right down at the bottom here, and a chair. And then this way into the kitchen. I'm going to let you go first, Mike, because it is quite small. And in here we've got granite countertops, it looks like. And there's a microwave, 2-burner stove, and some dishes and pots and pans and things. To be honest, we haven't made any meals here, really. We've eaten out pretty well every day. And then we've got the refrigerator and freezer. And then over on this side, we have the washing machine, and we have made good use of that. So come on back through this way, Mike. Right here, we've got a table and a couple of chairs. Haven't really used that either. And then right next to that, we've got a 3-seater sofa. And across from that is the television and a small console table down below. And then further in, we've got a desk where we keep our computers. And I'm going to show you the bedroom over this way before we go outside. So come on in, Mike. This is our very small bedroom, queen-size bed. It's been quite comfortable. And we have a window in this bedroom that is going to be the same view that I'm going to show you once we get out on the balcony. And then moving around this way, there's a couple of sides to this wardrobe here, lots of room to hang up our clothes. Small little desk here. I guess maybe it's supposed to be a makeup table, and a mirror up above it. And then I'll let you go into the bathroom, Mike. It's a little bit dark in here. The lights aren't too bright, but there is a vanity here with a little bit of granite around it, mirror up above, toilet right next to it. And then turning around is a glassed-in shower area, and there is no rain head shower in this one. It's got the shower wand with it. And then we'll come back out here, and I'm going to show you how this bedroom is divided off from the living room. Now these doors all slide back and forth if I can do it. Sometimes they're not so easy, but this will close up, and then you can, as I disappear behind the wall, you can just put this wall right away. Not so easily maybe. And have it wide open to the living room if you want. So come on out this way. I'll show you our view out on the balcony. And it is a pretty good wide open view. You'll see across to the city, lots of great big buildings over there and mountains in the distance, and then sort of some low-rise places down below. There's 4 chairs out here and a table, and we usually sit out here every morning and have our coffee. So this is probably the smallest apartment that we've ever stayed in for this length of time. So it's been just under a month. And for this apartment, we paid about $1,000 USD for the whole month. And we thought that was a pretty good deal because it seemed like all the apartments in this area were quite a bit more. So we were quite happy with this. Now, the apartment itself is very small, and we managed to make it work for us, no problem at all. So I'm wondering what you people think of it. Do you think it's too small? Could you stay in a place like this? And what do you think about the price that we got? Let us know in the comments section down below. We'd be interested to hear that. If you enjoyed this video, we'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. And remember, take time to travel. Catch you on the next one.